Hey girl, hey! Welcome back for another video. Now listen, Auntie Pat, she has blessed us with another one of her Mothership palettes. This right here is the Mothership V Bronze Seduction palette. Now before I get right to it, I'm just gonna have a nice reminder. If you're brand new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you find this helpful, please share this on Facebook, on Twitter, or anywhere you're active. So this is the packaging that the Mothership V comes in, and it's got this really cute little like drawstring thing where you can close it. When you open it up, this is just made out of like, it feels like paper, not cardboard, but some kind of like a heavier paper material. When you take it out, this is the palette. It's all black and it feels like heavy. It feels like it's like quality. It doesn't feel like a paper cardboard-ish palette, you know what I mean? You open it up right here and they've got a really nice mirror. I haven't taken the, you know, little plastic off mine yet, but let me show you the shades, honey. They are to die for. Now, these are the shades right here, as you can see. Oh man, to be honest with you, they look just like some matte, just some shimmers. But after I swatched them myself, it's interesting. Some of the shimmers are this interesting glitter formula, and I haven't really ever tried that before. Obviously, I haven't put them on my eyes yet. So we're gonna see how some of those perform, but the colors are really speaking to me. First off, this red right here, the gold, this rose gold, oh my God. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna prep my eyes. I'm gonna use my eyeshadow primer from Fenty Beauty. This is their Pro Filter Eye Primer. And then I'm also going to set it with some translucent setting powder. I'm just gonna use the Fenty Invisimatte blotting powder. Okay, so first up, I'm going into Entrapment right here, and I'm gonna use that as a transition shade. I'm noticing that a lot of pigment comes up when I just dip my brush in, and there really isn't much fallout, which I love. I do have to say though that this matte went on super buttery. Like, I really didn't have to do that much blending work, which I like, and it does not look dry on my eyelid. The pigmentation on my eye looks really nice as well. I mean, I don't have anything bad to say about it. I kind of like it. So next up, I'm going into the red. This one is called Blitz Flame. And I'm just going to use my fingers because I want to see how pigmented it is, just to try it out. You know what I mean? Wow. So much came off of my finger. I was not expecting that. Damn. And it's like an actual, like, true, like, red. It's so beautiful. That's pretty impressive just with one swipe, and there's still a lot more on my finger. I'm just taking it easy. I want to focus all the color down here, and then I'm going to use a brush to just go ahead and blend out those two colors so there's more of a seamless transition. I mean, that looks really beautiful. I like can't stop staring at it. It's damn. That shimmer really just, it blew me away, guys. Now I'm gonna take a flat concealer brush, and then I'm gonna go into the rose gold color right here. And of course, I need to use a little bit of setting spray just because I want it to adhere better to my eyelids. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I was just gonna keep this in my inner eye, but now I have to put it all over the lid because it's such a beautiful topper. So the rose gold glitter is just, there's a little bit of a mess. I mean, it's glitter, you guys. Like, of course there's gonna be some fallout, but I just love how beautiful it pairs with the eyeshadow. I'm like in love because I don't have anything that quite looks like that, you know? It's truly unique. I mean, I will have to clean up some of this glitter bits, you know, so I would suggest doing your eyes first if you're going to use this palette and you want to use the glitter shade. Now I'm going to go in with this color right here. This is called a VR Fire Opal, and I'm going to use that in my inner corner. Wow, how beautiful is that? It literally looks like opal. I've never had an eyeshadow like that. I'm so like, I don't mean to fangirl, but I'm just saying I don't have anything that looks like that, and I'm literally amazed. Honestly, this look is like so unique. I don't even want to add too many other stuff to it, But what I do want to do is I want to kind of just finish up the rest of my makeup, and then I want to tell you guys my thoughts, how I feel about this, and just kind of whether it's worth the $125. You know what I mean? All right, so my makeup is all done. So now we get to chat about this palette. First off, I do have to say, with the first time experience that I had with this palette, it was great. It didn't give me any problems. I was able to create a wearable but unique look. Now, do I think this palette is for everybody? Definitely not. Given the price tag, obviously it isn't. But I do want to say this. I think if you're the type of person that loves to play around with unique formulas, with unique colors, and these colors appeal to you, you're not afraid to try something out of the box, then hell yeah, go for it. If you have the coins or you want to save up the coins to splurge, definitely check it out. There's no harm in it. Now, is there something extraordinary about some of the formulas? No, I mean, the mattes are buttery. There's little to no fallout with the mattes, which is, I mean, all I could ask for, you know? And really where this palette shines are the shimmers, like the toppers here, and also these shimmers here, because they go on and they are so pigmented. Like, it's insane. I haven't seen this kind of pigmentation, like, maybe in a Juvia's Place palette, but like they're so different. It's kind of like comparing apples to oranges, you know what I mean? I do have to say that the Mothership V palette is probably the first palette that she's come out with where I'm not like scared of the colors, because the other colors are kind of like, wow, like how am I gonna create a look? Like I feel kind of lost like thinking about all these other palettes that she's come up with before, but this one is like wearable, yet you know, you can still kind of play around and find something new. That being said, I'm really happy that I made that purchase because I don't have anything like that in my collection. And so far, I can't wait to try all the different color combinations, see what else I can come up with. That oval color is like sickening. It's so beautiful. So I'm really excited personally about it. If you guys have tried it or you currently just got it in the mail, please let me know your thoughts on it as well. As always, I love you guys. Don't forget to check out some of the videos that I have up for you on the screen. If you haven't subscribed yet, girl, smash that subscribe button. I love you and I will see you in the next video. Bye.